Namaskara and welcome back to Degree Lab. This month of June has been quite phenomenal. Number one, the KCET results are out, which means the students now have to worry about selecting the universities in the option entry that the KCET has announced. And on the other hand, the party that has the majority shares is now forming a government for the next 5 years. That will be the best for India. But here we're not going to talk about politics, but instead we are going to talk about how we can ease the stress and give a guided tour to students so that they can use this option entry method most efficiently. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. The first round of KCET option entry is expected to be held by August 2024. And here is a step-by-step process of how you can select your dream institution and your dream program for your aspirations. Step number one, you need to visit the official website and click on the option entries link. Upon clicking that link, you will be required to enter your CET number and the security pin so that you can create a password of your choice. Step number two, options entry. Here, candidates are required to verify their documents and possess a verification step. After this, you will be granted access into the portal where you can start to list your preferred institutions and programs. Make sure that you list your choices based on your priority and also take a printout for future reference. Here's a tip. There's no limit on the number of choices that you can select, and it would be really smart of you if you can refer to previous year's cutoffs and choose and finalize your options. Step number three, mock allotment. After the initial entry, a mock allotment will be conducted where you can understand the likelihood of securing your desired seat. Step number four, modify choices. After the mock is being conducted, you can modify your choices. You can reorder, add or delete based upon your mock results so that you have the maximum chance of securing your desired seat. Step number five, final submission. Here, after the mock allotment and after the modifications, you need to take a final look at your choices. And if you're happy with that, submit those. And ensure that you do this before the deadline to avoid any issues. Step number six, seat allotment. Karnataka Education Authority, KEA, will announce the results of seat allotment based on the preference and ranking. You can check the results on their official website, and if you have been allotted a seat, you can download the admission order and take a printout of it. Step number seven, report to your allotted college. Pay the required fees, take the printout of the admission form and report to your allotted college so you can finish the admission formalities within the specified timelines. All the best for your selection process, and if you have found this video useful, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you with more such related videos soon. Thank you. Namaskara. Jai Hind.